Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can import audio to Davinci Resolve 18. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Davinci Resolve 18. So in order to import an audio file, go to the top menu and then search for file. Once you find it, go ahead and click on it and then search here in this list for imports. Here you're going to find three options: import, import project, and lastly, import metadata to media pool or to selected media pool clips. So click on import and then right here, you're going to find lots of options. You can import bin, media from XML, timeline, fusion composition, subtitle, preconformed, EDL, and lastly, batch list from EDL. Go ahead and click on media, and then you need to search for the file that you want to add. So, for example, I'm gonna add this audio file. Double click it, and then, as you can see, guys, now the file is added to DaVinci Resolve 18. So right now, once you add it here, you can also drag it to the timeline if you want. And as you can see, guys, now it's added to the timeline. You can play it from here or you can stop from here. There is also another way in order to add an audio file. And it's by dragging the audio file to here directly. So for example, I'm gonna drag it like this. And it will be also added this way. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.